Incremental ratings. So one of the minor updates in SuperMemo 20 has been the collection preview. So if I go to File and Open Collection, now it looks like this. It looks better, albeit there's a room of improvement. It's a major update if I compare to SuperMemo 19 or older. Just to let you know that the background is not random or arbitrary. It has a meaning. In the course, I will have every single color, what it is. There are quite a lot. There are more than you may think. If the collection is not found, if it's corrupted, if it's the collection that is open, like in this case. So if I go to a different one, you will see that doesn't have any color. It's white. Awesome. So now you have the items, the percentage, the load, forgetting index, visually. Yeah, the indent is not there because it's like using white spaces and so on, but it's a lot easier to see. What is the average A factor, or the average time, or the repetitions? Oh, I have 183,000 reps in this collection. What about this one? 185,000. What about the Notion, the one I did during the live streams? 200 and I spent recalling 1 hour on something. Nice. Compare this. If now I use SuperMemo 18, if now I use SuperMemo 19, compare. It's just plain and simple. Yeah, it's the same thing. It says currently opened. It's the same background color, more or less. But do you see, first, there's less information. Everything is jammed, the same size. There's the space, nothing visual. So it's quite an update. That is the exact same collection as before. How many reps? How many reps here? I am 186, but what about the burden? I don't see it visually, right? Let me see if I can have both open at the same time. I mean, trying to be opened. Look at this. Do you see the items? Oh, items are 55% of the collection. And the burden, even is the same. I see it's about 3/4. And the topic, I see it's about 1/5, more or less. So if I go back to SuperMemo 19, I don't know. I have the same info. It's not as visual, right? The forget index, 6.5. Okay, what about the other stuff? Here I have a few more stuff. I have more stats. This is useful if you have backups, different stages of the same collection, basically, or you split collections or merge. Then is this the one I merged? Is that before I merged? This was the backup of the data. Then it's a lot easier. And the last thing is that you have a preview. Do you see this picture? This is per collection. By default, you have this, the logo, but I can go to Help, About, and change it. Click here, choose picture. Okay, so now I have changed it to this. The first I got. The essence of incremental reading. Awesome. Now, if I open any collection, do you see? That's an example of different color that the collection is in use because it's also opened in a different instance of SuperMemo, in this case with also a different version of SuperMemo. And this is how it looks in SuperMemo 19. Just says collection in use, and that's about it. And it tells you the actual file, my Notion collection. So it's in a small detail, but yeah, it's welcome. It doesn't hurt to have an improvement in this aspect. That's all for now, and remember that on the course we will see more in depth what color means what, and with different SuperMemo versions, because that was not covered yet in the course, this detail. That's all. And remember that you will have more in-depth details, what the color means and so on, in the SuperMemo guide, the extra chapter for SuperMemo 20. That's all for now. See you incrementally.